Guys, it's Kim and welcome to my channel. I have a quick video for you guys today. Normally I release a cooking keto video with me every midweek, but I wasn't able to do that because I had midterms this week. So what I decided to do is the next best thing. I have a water fast video that I will link somewhere here it did really well in my opinion because I just started my channel and it did really well. So I decided to do a full day of water fast and show you guys what I drink. Because I know a lot of people drink coffee, some people drink green tea, or whatever the case may be. I just stick to water for the most part. Or if I do need an energy boost, I'll drink some coffee. But I'll show you guys what I drink, how much water I drink, and I already weighed in, and I will be weighing in again just to show you guys how much weight I lost in that one day. So this is what I drink. I have a 4-liter jug of water that I lug around with me. So some may say she exercises too. But I have 4 liters of water that I drink each day. There's some missing because unfortunately when I go to school I can't lug this around. I don't want to be that girl. That weird girl that's just walking with a big ass water bottle. No.
Big no ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
Ma'am, miss me with that. So I have a water bottle that I do walk around with, and what I try to do is if I'm going to school for a certain period of time, I try to drink as much water as I possibly can without forcing myself, so that by the time I'm done class, it's still feasible for me to finish the bottle of water before midnight. I have, as you can see here, I have times written on it from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Granted, I don't always finish the water between those times. Sometimes I go until 11 o'clock before I finish, but I always finish my water before midnight. Always. I don't add lemon to my water, which I should, but
ain't nobody got time for that.
Honestly, that's just the lazy side of me not wanting to go do it. So I just buy a bottle of water and I refill it throughout the week. If I'm on a 5-day water fast, I'll buy 3 bottles of water, and then the next 2 days I'll just refill it with tap water. So I usually drink one of these before I leave the house. One of these takes me from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then when I refill it, it takes me to, because the bottle gets a bit wider at that point, it takes me to 1:30, which is completely fine by me because by the time I get to work, by the time I drive to work, I will possibly drink half of it on the way to work. And then when I get to work, I'll finish it and then refill it. So for the most part, I do finish it before 9 a.m. I think the earliest I've ever finished it was 8 p.m. And then I was still thirsty when I got home because she's thirsty. But I ended up finishing it before that time, and it ended up adding more water and just kept drinking. But I try not to drink too much water, but sometimes it gets there because even when I'm not water fasting, I'm a water girl. I don't really like pop. I don't really like soda. She loves a Sprite. I love Sprite, but I try my hardest not to drink it as much. And guys, I know I look homeless. She's tired and I have to go to work, and this is what they're going to get today. This is what they're going to get with my glasses. This is all. This is it. This is all. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to check in with you guys around 3 or 4 because that's when I usually get hungry. And that's because I do intermittent fasting. So I don't eat before 4 p.m., 3 or 4 every day. So that's when I get hungry. So I'm going to check in with you guys and let you guys know how it's going. I think it will be pretty easy because I've done 5 days of water fasting before and it's not really difficult to me. So I'm going to check in with you guys and I'm going to go to work before I get fired because I will really be on a water fast if I lose my job. I will be a water fast by force. So I'm going to get out of here and I'm going to check in with you guys at 3 p.m. I'll probably be in the office at 3 p.m. So don't judge me if I'm doing a quick video on my lunch break, Brenda. If you're watching, it's lunch break. It's not during work hours. It's my lunch break that I'm going to make this video. Quick check-in because it's now 3:30 and that's usually when I break my fasting if I'm on an intermittent fasting. I'm not hungry. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't want to come here and pretend as if I'm starving because I'm really not. I'll show you guys where I'm at on my water bottle. So far I'm close to the 5 p.m. mark and it's 3:30, but I do have some water in the water bottle that I showed you earlier, so it's not as if I'm way ahead of time. I'm the only thing that's different is I'm craving like oxtail or some Jamaican food, but I'm just gonna put that out of my mind because I feel like majority of this is a mindset, and once you set your mind to doing it, you'd be surprised what you can achieve if you set your mind and like
just work towards it. You'd be surprised what you can achieve. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue drinking my water. I'm gonna do my work. Hopefully I can stay busy when I get home. I'm gonna do some cleaning to keep me busy as well. And then I'm just gonna extend my fast until this Friday when my girl comes over for the challenge, and then see what happens. But the weigh-in, I'll be doing it just for the one day to show you guys what I lost in that, well, it's a little bit more than 24 hours, and see what will happen, because I do lose the most weight for the first day, and then after it just settles at like 1 pound or 2 pounds off. So I'm curious to see what will happen. So far, again, I'm not that hungry, but I'll probably I'll insert a clip up in the Blazing Wings just to show you guys the third day what happened, because the third day I turned into a beast. That's when I'm talking to my mom and telling my mom that I'm gonna order food. That's the day that I have all the symptoms, like it's just bad. But the first day is not that bad. I just wanted to show you guys what it's like and what I drink throughout the day, and because a lot of people drink coffee, and I'm probably gonna have a black coffee later because I have no energy and I need some energy to finish off this day. But I will check in with you guys before I go to bed, just to give you guys a sense of what happened, and also if I get really hungry or something happens, I will check in before then, and then check in before bed. Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly stop by and do a final update for you guys for today. The lighting is crap. I'm sorry, I'm in my bedroom. I did not want to go downstairs to make this video. I'm super exhausted. I just wanted to stop in and just let you guys know how the day went. I did well, it was supposed to be a full 24-hour water fast, but technically I started Monday at 4 p.m. and it's now Tuesday at 11:13. It's a random time to say 11:15, let's just say that. And I am super exhausted, but the water fast went really, really well. The only problem I found was because I do intermittent fasting around 3 or 4 is when I usually break my fast. So around that time, it's definitely in my head, but I just got hungry around that time, and it was for like an hour of me just be like, okay, I want to eat. I want to eat. I didn't need to. I just wanted to, because I knew that that's the time that I normally break my fast. But I stuck it out and I drank some more water. It was not that difficult. I've done longer fasts, so this was not that stressful for me. It was just a matter of, this is when I break my fast and I'm ready to eat. But the day went really well. I started with 4 liters of water. I am completely empty, but I do have some left over in my water bottle that I will drink before the night ends. I promise. I'm gonna probably drink some of it on camera, but I will finish it before the night ends, and I'll also refill it because I like to have some water by my bedside. I randomly wake up at 3 in the morning to drink some water. It's just ridiculous. Even though I'm not on a water fast, I drink a lot of water. So a water fast is not difficult for me in the sense of drinking the water. It's difficult in the sense of eating, because I love food. So it's difficult in that sense, but for drinking the water, it's not difficult at all. What else? I didn't have any headaches. I didn't have anything like that. Again, it's like a 1.5 day fast, so it wasn't that bad. I'm not feeling the shakes or anything like that. I will probably extend the fast though until Thursday. So yeah, until Thursday, because tomorrow I have a 9 to 9. I have a busy day, so I won't be able to cook before or after. So I'm probably just gonna wait until Thursday around 5 o'clock and break my water fast then, so I can cook something really good, because I'm gonna cook something really good. I've been craving this one thing and I want to make it for my channel, so I won't say what it is, but I'm excited to make that Thursday evening. So I'm gonna just extend my water fast until then, but I will release this video on Wednesday with an update, like the before and after weight. I noticed in the past that the first day I lose the most amount of water weight. So I'm excited to see what I weigh, because I tried my hardest to do some home workout. I did it for 5 minutes and I literally laid on the ground for 15. So it didn't go that well. But we'll see what happens. It was just a quick water fast. I just wanted to take you guys through a day of me water fasting and see how it is. How to make it a bit easier, maybe. I'm not too sure. I don't really do anything special. Like, I know a lot of people put salt under their tongue. That's when I do an extended fast. When I do an extended fast, after a while, if I feel a bit lightheaded, I'll put some salt under my tongue or something like that. Pink Himalayan salt under my tongue. And that's about it. I don't really do anything special. I don't put anything in my water. I just drink the regular water. What else?
I think that should be it. You guys gonna see the full day of me when I wake up, when I fill my bottle, up. You guys will see everything. I check in throughout the day. I didn't check in a lot because again, I had a busy day, but I did check in just to show you guys different steps. If I was feeling anything, I made a quick video just to show you guys how it was going. And yeah, I'm super excited to see what tomorrow morning brings, because I'm going to weigh myself Wednesday morning and then just quickly put this video together and release it around 4 p.m. That's when I have a break between school and work. So around 4 p.m. I'll do the final touches and then release it before I start my last class. And if you guys have any questions, leave them below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be doing a water fast every month, a minimum of 3 days water fast every single month, just to see how that will go for as long as I do it, just to see how it will make me feel. Again, guys, until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and stay beautiful. Bye. I'm going to bed. She's tired.